Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. So in this video, guys, I have two cameras, and I want to one is Canon, okay, and one is Nikon, and this is the D800 for the model of the Nikon, okay, and this one is EOS 6D Mark 1, okay. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to use this this is a trinocular microscope. So we're gonna use this input for the eyepieces, okay, but instead of using the eyepieces like I'm going to do it right now, this one right here, what I'm going to do is use the C-mount adapter, okay, which there's a C-screw size, which is like 25 or 26 millimeters. I don't know which is which. Okay, I can't recall, but this is, can't remember, but this is the 25 millimeters, okay, C-mount. This is what they call C-mount. Let me show you. So this is the C-mount, okay. I know I have to put a ruler or something to show you that it is 25 millimeters, but it's okay. So what we're going to show you is how to install both cameras, okay, on the microscope. Now there are on the microscope on the C-mount, only on the C-mount, okay, because there are other methods, which by the way we'll use this input here, which is 23 millimeters for the eyepieces. Okay, but here in this video we're going to concentrate only on the 25 millimeters. Okay. Now, first we can use this, like for example, here we can. This is the Nikon. As you can see, we can remove the cap. Okay, and then what we should be using is a T-ring. This is for the Nikon, and certain on it for the Nikon. Okay, and here, okay, just get it out and install it on top of the camera. Okay, so get it nearer. I hope it appears. Yes. Okay, let me make my camera a little bit backwards. And then install this one here. Okay. We do the same for the Canon. Okay. So there's a little dot over here, okay, that you have to follow and match it with a dot that goes on the Nikon over here, and then install it. You have to hear the click. Okay, please rewind the video so you can hear the click. Okay, so we do it for the Canon. Yep, this is it. So this is for the Canon. Okay, so here, take it out from the box. Just to be organized, I leave everything in its place like it was, to know which bag is which is which. And for the Nikon, for the Canon, I don't want to be confused or mixed up with the. So here, let me find the dot over here. There's a dot. Let's see. Okay. So it has to be. Okay, here. So, yep. Now there is a dedicated ring, okay, this one, okay. Here the diameter of the ring here and this ring here for both the Canon and the Nikon, okay, but you have to understand from the inside here where I installed the each ring, they have different teeth, they have different threads, okay, screw threads if you want to call them. They are teeth, actually, not complete screw threads, okay. So what we do is get this one, okay, see it's written on it M42, which is the diameter of this side here, okay, which will be sitting like this, okay. So here, okay, I have to a little bit rotate it in order to get it installed just once, okay. So here, okay, and yeah, that's it, okay. And then we take the camera like this. Okay, that's enough. I don't want to take it all the way down, but that's it. Okay. This is for the Nikon. Okay, same thing with the Canon. Okay. Now I have another ring, but I'm using it for the M42. For M42 means 42 millimeters. Okay, this is the diameter of the hole. Okay, the diameter of the hole. Okay, this hole. Okay, where I'm setting my finger. This hole has 42 millimeters. So this is now we install it on the Canon. Okay, same thing. See, it's like this, and I rotate it, of course. Okay, I know it could be, I mean, it might look silly to you, okay, but you might see things you should never experience before, okay. And then same thing, just install it like this, okay. Be careful, for the threads are very thin, and that's it. Okay, I don't want to take it the same all the way down, okay, like complete fastening. Okay, you don't have to fasten it for now. This is just for education. Okay, I want to remove it quickly. Okay, in order to show you other methods. Okay. Okay. Now, while unscrewing this, you know, it might get loose. Okay, so you'll be confused which of which has been uninstalled. Okay, so you know, look at or hold the string while try to hold the string. I mean, okay. So you saw that I used this plus this or this. Okay, use this. Okay, the ring. Sorry. Okay, this thing here. Or the same for the Canon, okay, with the C2M42, okay. Now, the other alternative, which is maybe better, okay, you don't have to use this one, okay, and do this combination. There is a one that takes it all at once. So each kind of camera, as we told you, they have different screw threads. So this is for the Canon. See, this is for the Canon. Okay, you can see the threads are, I mean, here, the teeth here, the way they are cut, they are different. Okay, same for the Nikon. Okay, they have different cuts. Maybe I should show you them. Like different cuts. Once you get them, you'll know that. Let me focus it. Okay, so anyway, so you see that they are different. Okay, maybe come from the inserts, okay, from the holes themselves. You can look at the how this is the Canon, see how they are here, okay, and see, and the Nikon, this is Nikon, I mean, and this is the Canon, see, okay. The openings are different. The teeth here are different. Okay, so this, we have something that combines the ring and the M42. Okay, so this is the ring and the M42. Okay, and we have this one, which is for the Canon. Okay, and I have another one for the Nikon. Okay, which is all in one. Like it's fused. The M42 C to M42 is fused with the ring itself. Okay, so this is for the Canon. Start with it. I got it today. Okay. Okay, so this is it. The C to, so here is the C, the hole for the C. Okay, C mount, and here is side, as you can see, and this red dot is only to match it on the Canon, like this. So where's the red dot? Oh yeah, here it is, the red dot. Okay, I have to match it with this red dot, and here. Careful, don't put your finger inside, okay? This is the mirror, so you might sabotage it, okay? And for the Nikon, same. We call C to AI. Okay, C to AI. Okay. So same thing. Now this hole, I think, is the pointer to where to put the, yes. Anyway, you'll find it out. Okay, anyway, so the slot inside here will help you to uninstall it. Okay, so this is with a Canon, with a Nikon here. I am holding the Nikon. I'm holding the Nikon here, and that's the same. So here, okay. It has been installed. Okay. And again, for the Canon, okay. Okay. I think I did this one wrongly, so I'll try to screw it, okay, to install it one more time. Okay, just be careful not to hit the threads, okay? Don't make them run out. Okay, you will lose the the rings. Okay, so this is how you install your Nikon camera and your Canon camera on the trinocular microscope, okay, on the C-mount adapter. Okay, and thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like our channel. Okay, you may come on our live session every Saturday and Wednesday night Beirut time, okay, at 6 p.m. Beirut, Lebanon time, okay, at 6 p.m. Okay, and we'll be waiting for your questions. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.